Kita tahu kami akan bermain di kandang ini hanya tersisa 2 kali, jadi tidak ada kata lain selain kami akan berusaha mendapatkan 3 poin. Terima kasih.
Selamat malam, assalamualaikum. About this match, first, very important. The supporters come tomorrow to support our team. I know that the time is not the perfect time. It's a Thursday night, and it's not the perfect time. But our boys need the support of our supporters because. We need tomorrow to make a very good game to collect the points because this is an important match. And the opponent team have 5 new players, and we need to make a good game because it's a different team. And if we're gonna see first round, also last season, all the matches against Presscon, we have many difficulties because they are. Players with fighter spirit, without ball and with ball, and I hope that the Wazi team make good match because unfortunately last matches many mistakes against us, penalties, players that opponent team must be sent off and not be sent off. So please, tomorrow supporters come to support us and Wazi team try to make a good game.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat malam teman-teman media. Kita tahu kami akan bermain di kandang ini hanya tersisa 2 kali, jadi tidak ada kata lain selain kami akan berusaha mendapatkan 3 poin. Terima kasih.
Yes, we try to sign players that can help us. Target always is the team. It's not one player that lose alone or one player that win alone. So we try to get the players that can help the team to try to win matches because on this moment what is more important is to collect points. As you know, we just have tomorrow match against Presscon and after against Bayankara here on Pare, and after we're going to play away without stadium, so I think it's a good opportunity for the true lovers of PC Makassar come to support our boys. We're going to play with 11, and after we're going to have more 10 players on the bench, so anyone can play. Let's see. Last match, Zé Paulo cannot play because he was injured. He's coming from injured. Let's see what's going to happen tomorrow. If the game have characteristics for him, and if he's okay, because we're going to have a training today. Let's see what's going to happen. Of course, we want that. The players that are going to play must be the players that we hope that can help us to collect the 3 points, because tomorrow is very important to collect the 3 points.